Hey YouTube, what's up? This your boy Ray Mack. We are not calling these Ray Mack's steamed crab legs. We're calling these Old Bay steamed crab legs. Yes, y'all, let's get into it right now. So this is what we've got, y'all. We got us some crab legs, and I'm telling you right now, all you need to do is get yourself some Old Bay seasoning. This is the only ingredients that you're going to use for this. No, we're going to use some more down the line, but it's going to be good. But I want you to do is this: take you some Old Bay seasoning and sprinkle on these crab legs. So I don't care how many clusters you use, you just make sure that you just sprinkle as much Old Bay seasoning as you like on your crab leg. So I got me a steamer. This is a Black & Decker steamer. You could definitely go online and see if you could find yourself one. I found mine at Goodwill. So I'm taking my steamer and I filled it up with some water because this is going to help steam my crab legs. So I got my crab legs going inside the steamer and I'm placing them in. Now with that being said, I want to go ahead and place the top on this here steamer. Now this is how my steamer looks, just in case you want to take a look at it. So that's the full steamer right there. Got this from Goodwill, y'all. Don't be scared to go into some of these thrift stores because you might luck up and find you one of these. I got two. Now with the steam cooking up these here crab legs and all of that Old Bay seasoning getting inside that meat, we're going to take it a step further. Take your crab legs out. I got me some Parkay butter. Yes, Parkay. Okay, it's margarine, butter, whatever. So I got me some of this here seafood spectacular. I got this at Ross. Ross is the boss. Sprinkle it on there. Now I got some green parsley, dried parsley. I just want to give this a little color. Yes, indeed. The next thing I'm going to use right here, y'all, you can find this at any kind of store, whether it be whatever. Weber's Savory Steakhouse seasoning. Oh my God, this is some good stuff right here. So take that Weber's Steakhouse seasoning, sprinkle that baby up, and I'm telling you right now, with the steamed crab legs, they'll be done in 15 minutes. I just hit the timer on the steamer for 15 minutes. It was done, and I dressed it up with the seasoning. This is it. Let's eat. Let's go. And I'm telling you right now, y'all, hey, it don't get no better than this. Really, it don't. Crab legs, steamed, Ray Mack style. Take it, eat it. So I want to say thank you guys so much for watching this here video, and if you could please watch my suggested video along with watch next video. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my video by clicking on my picture. Comment below, tell me exactly what you would like to see in the future. Love and not hate. Peace.